Hello everyone, I thought I'd make my first video here, show you my 2014 CRF250L. It snowed today about 6 inches, well last night. Made it kind of hard to get around, so it don't go very good with the factory tires. But I'll show you a few things that I have done to it. And actually I had all the services done. It's got 2,700 miles, a little over, and I had the valves adjusted. The exhaust was a little bit out, but the intake was fine. So cost around $105 at the Honda shop in Springfield, Missouri. I got this tail light kit block off from the plate. It's pretty much, it looks exactly like the DRC taillight brake light assembly, but it's a China-made model. I'm not sure where DRC is made, but not USA. Anyway, this was $57 with shipping. Now these turn signals are DRC, and I paid $37 for those. And if you look at these, you can see how they're made. You can compare this front set that I bought on eBay. I bought these for $5 for the pair, and they're not quite as good maybe, but for $5, you know, to take off the big bulky stock ones, they look good, and they look good lit up. You can see how they look lit up. I can show you the brake light, the mod that I did to the brake light myself. If I can reach the brake pedal to show you how this works. Okay, you can see how it flashes there. That's a flasher that I made myself. I installed it under the fender here, under the plastic of the fender. So when you hit the brake, it flashes for about 5 seconds and goes off. Goes steady burn. Also, I bought this shift lever for $17. So it's for a CRF250R, or sorry, CRF150R. It's aluminum, because I bent the stock one. We're riding at Chadwick, laid it over, bent the lever back. Luckily, I didn't break the shaft like some people have. So I wanted to get that stock one off there and get a folding shift lever. Also, I added this. I made the bracket for this. Made this myself, wired it just direct to the battery with a fuse. And I got this for my GPS and for my iPhone 6 Plus, so I can charge it. I have ordered a few things for this. I ordered some hand guards, so I'll be doing I'll show you them when I get them. I've ordered a GPS mount to put here, and I'm going to make a mount for my iPhone on the other side. Also, I do have a tire, the Michelin T63. It would have went a lot better, I think, if I would have had that on today instead of the stock tires. But I want to wear out my stock tires first and then put that on. I also have a Michelin T63 front tire coming to install on it. So anyway, keep in touch and check my videos. I'll be uploading more videos as I do. I'll do some more reviews. I'm gonna do some rides through the woods and show you guys Southwest Missouri and some of the trails we have. And please click on the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.